Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. Today we're gonna do a video that is a bit different than the other I show on my channel. We're gonna do a summary of our first week as a repair shop on YouTube. So here we go. First of all, I did a total of 7 videos on how to repair some DualShock 4. I think that you appreciate those videos quite much because we reach over 500 views. I would like to thank you all for this, and I hope that you will continue to watch my video and to subscribe to my channel. So if we start the submarine now, doing all those video cost a lot of money. So as you can see, I list the price that it costs to make each video. So for the first one, the $128 cost is basically to buy all those faulty PS4 controllers. And if we go to the second one, yeah, the $20 that's there, it's the cost of the controller that I bought to fix the faulty controller. I know that there is a lot of part that can be reused on that controller, but I prefer to include the full price. And if I use some parts of the same controller in the future, I will put the price to 0. On the controller number 3, we didn't need any parts to fix it, so I basically consider it as a 0 part cost. I know that we use some tools, but those are paid from a long time from now, so they basically don't cost me anything. So when I do my testing video on the DualShock 4 Special Edition Darth Vader, this controller cost me $43.92. It was pretty cheap because it was a faulty one and I fixed it in the past, so that's why it's not very expensive, because otherwise it will have cost a lot more. It's the same with the DualShock 4 Special Edition, the 20th anniversary that I use in my other video. And when I change the black one into the Special Edition, I rank it at 0. Basically because I use one of the controller in the unboxing and testing of the 6 PS4 controller video I did earlier, so the cost of this controller is already included above. And as for the last one, for the video on the inconsistent sprint, the gold controller that I bought, which was really a nice controller, I bought it locally for 20 Canadian bucks. So this is basically what it costs, and the part I used to fix it were from an older controller that I could not fix and that I use as parts, and I already included in other repairs, so I basically consider as free parts. So this is a grand total of $264.08 of losses for this week. But what about the gain? For this week, we succeed to sell 2 controllers locally. It was a black DualShock 4 version 1. It goes for $45, and a black DualShock 4 version 2, which goes for $50, for a total of $95. Basically, these are coming from the 60, not the 60, but the 6 controller box that I received in the beginning of the week. I prefer to sell the controller locally because we're avoiding to pay the fuse for any shipping or the fuse that we pay on eBay. So it make them, at the end, you have a lot more money in your pocket than if you pay all these fees. So at the end of this week, we end up with a total of $169.08 losses, but I'm pretty sure that we can succeed to sell enough controller to turn into the positive. I don't know how much time it will take, but I'm pretty sure that we will succeed in the long term. But for the moment, this is it. If you want to help the channel to grow, please try to subscribe. It will help us to stay in business. And if you like this video, leave it a like or a comment. And I hope that you enjoyed this style of video, and have a nice day.